Max, your mind is on something else.
What happened? Something's wrong. It's not only the boy.
What? Tell me, please.
Well, I suppose you'll find out soon enough. Everybody knows everyone's business in Vienna. Clara and I, we're no longer engaged.
Oh. I'm sorry. I liked her.
That's why you're not Jewish. A broken engagement is like...
The sky has fallen.
Yes, something like that.
What happened between you, if you don't mind me asking?
Always interrogating, aren't you?
It's my job. Is there somebody else involved?
Why would you ask that?
Oh, there is. I thought so. You're not the only observer of human behavior.
Stop smiling.
I wasn't smiling.
Yes, you were trying hard not to.
Dr. Max Liebermann, expert in the inner workings of the mind. Except his own.